Here is Frodo lying on my lap. Get down there, Frodo. We want a nummy? We're gonna show everyone your tricks. Yeah, come on, Frodo. Nummy? Yes, you'd like a nummy, wouldn't you? Okay, now. Let's go back over here. I have your nummy. Come on.
Hey, Laura, you need to finish washing these pans. They're all dirty.
I will.
Okay, they're all dirty in the corners.
Okay, just a second. Okay, Frodo. Okay, Frodo, sit. Paw. Give me your paw. Good boy. Other paw. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Frodo, lie down. Okay then, sneeze. Good boy. Sneeze. 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 Oh, such a good puppy. Yes, you are. Okay, now. I'm gonna get... Nope. Okay, Frodo, what's this? Do you want a little bit now? There you go. Okay, now, I'm gonna get you to sit. Sit. Now will you lie down? Good boy. Now crawl. Nope, sit down. Lie down. Crawl. Crawl, 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 crawl. Crawl. Okay, we'll try crawl again. Lie down. Crawl. Crawl. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Good boy, even though it's more like pouncing. Now sneeze. Once more, sneeze. Good boy.